Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will see on the topic By.Locator and how it will be used to find the locators of that particular element. Using By.Id is the fastest and most reliable way for Selenium to locate an element. Every HTML element can have multiple ID. When Selenium uses By.Id, it directly targets that element without searching the page. In professional automation frameworks, ID is always the first choice because it is stable, fast, and very reliable. However, in real enterprise applications like Cogmento, many elements do not have stable IDs. That's why even though ID is the best locator, we often have to use the name, CSS, or XPath instead. I am explaining by.id so you understand the concept even if the application doesn't have always. Here in Cogmento, the login fields do not have ID attributes. So Selenium uses name attributes to locate the email password and XPath attribute to find the login button. So we will use even if IDs are not available by using other locators. We can run this example and see how it will be you are trying to find the elements and send the keys. So it will launch the browser and it will send the keys. You have entered your email in the email section. And in the password section, it will try to enter the password and it will click on login. Since we are providing invalid credentials, it is stating something went wrong, invalid login. So by.id is the best locator when it is available. Since we do Cogmento application do not have IDs for login fields, we have used name and XPath. In the next video, we will see by.name locator. Thank you.